Hey everyone, it is Greg here at Everything on Main, 295 North Main Street, Jasper, Georgia. It is Saturday. It is a beautiful day. We've got a lot of clothing. We've got a lot of memorabilia. And they're better prices than them. Come see us. All right, here we go, everyone. It is Saturday. It is beautiful. We are already packed. Not for us, for someone else. They're having a grand opening right down the way, which is awesome. Congratulations. We hope you do amazing, very successful. All right. Selling clothes in the morning time. That's a theme now. Just very cool. Trisha's got a lot of spring stuff that we just brought in, all with tags, really good prices. Come check those out. This is a treat. So I went down to Burnt Mountain Pie Company, and they've got, you know, when you go to Walmart and you can get those, what do you call these? Why am I having a brain? Did I do a sound effect just then? I didn't know if iMovie had a sound effect of a, but if so, that's what it is. But if it's something else, it doesn't sound like a, then it sounds more like a, it's because there wasn't a sound of an iMovie. Just to let you know. Anyway, oatmeal cream cookies. This is a homemade. Ooh. Cajun menu. Gave me a glass of milk. He needs some milk. Wow. Yeah. Wow. Wow. Go eat you one. All right. Having a pretty nice day today. It is a beautiful weekend. A lot of people are out, which is awesome. I actually started this little clip because there's I got to make sure I remind y'all this, and I forgot.
Oh
no. Have you ever had your calf muscle ripped? Yeah, I'm serious. Have you ever had it ripped? Listen, your calf muscle, you got your calf muscle, and you got a muscle here, and then you got a muscle here. And those muscles do this. You ever done that before? I've done it twice. First time was in the wrestling ring. During some routines, it snapped. I didn't know what was going on. It snapped. I went down. One of the guys, I forgot who it was, we thought it was a cramp. So what do you do with a cramp? You start rubbing that cramp out. So I'm like, my leg, my calf. Guys did what they did. They said, give it to me. No, they did that. And when they did, they're like, what's separating in my hand? I said, that's my calf.
Oh no.
Then the other time I was off-roading, and I was walking up to guide and direct, and we got to a certain point where I stopped them. I turned around and started walking down. Snap! Same leg. Snap! Yeah. I snapped my calf muscle twice. It hurt. Did you know how a calf muscle heals itself? It has to do this. And it was like this. So I had a long time to get out. I couldn't walk for a long time. Just thought you might want to know about my calf muscle. That's why you tune in the videos, right? Calf muscle rip twice. I think I had a rib and nose broke. I don't really remember. I was young. A stunt on a four-wheeler gone really horrible wrong. It was really bad. I got some more stuff, but I don't want to tell because it's kind of gross. I guess I call this the ouch video because all of a sudden I'm thinking about all the times I got injured. When I was a kid, I was riding on the back of a bike. And back in the 70s, remember the banana seats, the long banana seats? Well, I was on the back of the bike, so my legs were by the back tire. And my little legs, instead of doing this, my little legs just swinging, just having a good time. And all of a sudden, whoo, boom, my foot got caught in the spoke. Bike stopped, fell, hurt myself. Just thought you want to know in case you want to, feel sorry for me. Kenneth Lee and the kids came and saw me. It was awesome. Love ya. So earlier today, I was bringing in new merchandise and clothing merchandise that Trish had gotten, and started filling up this front rack full of clothes, nice, pretty bright stuff. Had a customer come in and found a top, and she was like, "Oh, that's awesome. You have the bottom?" I'm like, "Sure." I was looking for the bottom. I was like, "I can't find it." I was like, "I got the top. I can't find it. Sorry." She left. She didn't buy us. She left. I said, "Hey, as soon as you leave, I'm going to find it. If you're watching, I found it. So come back next weekend and get them," which is actually going to be this week if you're watching the video. Well, the sun came. Here comes the father with iced coffee.
Ooh, that sun is bright.
There he is.
What's up?
Oh, iced coffee. How are you?
Oh, I'm a little tired today.
You look a little tired. No, you look good.
Oh, well, thank you. We took the grands to the movies.
Oh,
yesterday.
I saw the photos, yeah.
Yeah, and then out to dinner, and you don't go to IHOP and drink coffee at like 4, 5 o'clock at night. I was awake till 3 a.m.
Oh, really? Yeah.
So,
We're still recovering from the past weekend. We had the
I know,
grandkids.
it's
like,
you had the boys
you
there.
get tired. It's a good tired, though.
It
Ken Lee
is.
stopped by with the kids.
Oh, he did?
Yeah, bought a couple albums.
Yeah, well, closings, just figure out what happened.
Oh,
things
yeah.
Like that. Yeah.
Yeah, I hadn't heard. I'll probably have a customer tell me because they go to that store a lot.
Oh, okay.
It's tough. These little mom and pop shops are tough.
I know, definitely.
It proves that this kind of stuff is done out of love.
Yeah.
Absolutely.
Yeah, it is.
So,
Kind of like my airplane business.
yeah.
So was Kenneth Lee on his way to the trash?
I don't think so because he went that way.
Oh, so he
I
was
don't know if
coming
he
back.
already probably.
Yeah, was it around 3:15, 3:30, something like that?
Probably.
Yeah, we went to the Sarah and Andy's church. They did the, they were going to do the helicopter egg drop. It was too windy.
Oh.
So they just had the eggs out.
They were going to drop eggs from the helicopter?
Oh, yeah.
Really?
Many years in a row. The last 2 years has been too windy, though.
Who does that? I've never heard of that.
Woodstock Church,
Okay.
Jasper.
Oh, okay.
Yeah, out 53.
Okay.
So they do it every year. Yeah.
No.
If it's too windy, they don't do it.
Right. So what, they literally just start dropping them from the air?
Literally drop plastic eggs.
Ah.
Yes. And have the kids go chasing them.
Yeah.
But now, when it's too windy, they have certain areas for age groups.
Right.
And so on one far side, they had the older kids, and then, not Addie, Abby and
It's too many to...
yeah, I know.
I can't keep up
Number
with them
8's
all.
on its way.
Yeah.
So, folks, can you edit that out, please?
Oh, I won't use that part.
Oh,
Make sure you don't use that part.
Don't use that.
He slipped again.
I slipped again. Yeah.
Yeah.
So anyway, well, you know what? It was on Facebook, right?
I don't know.
Did you see balloons?
I don't, honestly, I think Trish told me that you slipped
I
while
did.
you, and Kathy's like, Bub!
Yeah.
And then Ken Lee came in and he mentioned it and it shocked me.
Oh,
And
he
then-
mentioned it to you?
Yeah.
Okay,
It
so
shocked me and then I was like, wait, did I know that? I couldn't remember if I knew that. or
okay,
not.
so word must be out.
Okay. If you're watching this, it means that I've asked Kenneth Lee if I can
Yeah,
post this, which would be on Wednesday of next week.
yeah.
But
You know,
if you don't hear this,
I can keep a lot of secrets from my job, but I just when it comes to
you're
grandchildren,
the worst with the kids.
it's difficult.
Yeah.
And I don't have a coffee for you. I didn't. Kathy asked if I was going to stop by to see you, and I guess I didn't answer her.
It's okay. I'm fine. I don't expect a coffee every time.
So she didn't make one.
That's fine.
It's Kathy's.
Not like I said anything at the very beginning of this when he came in that he doesn't know yet. That's funny.
Yep. She's in trouble now.
Parkour! Parkour! In case y'all forgot, the mouth organ champion of Jasper. Come battle me. Mouth piano. All right. Just came from the Cajun menu. We are having Cajun menu for dinner tonight. She's getting the shrimp and grits.
Wow.
And I'm getting the chicken Alfredo pasta.
Wow.
And when I get home, I'm gonna put the 3 Dog Bites Might hot sauce on it. Check them out. You've seen the video. Anyway, I've had a pretty good day. Clothing sales have been really good, which is awesome. Thank you for getting the word out. Keep that going. Trust me. I told you things gonna get a little weird, and you hold on. Couple more weeks, y'all. Couple more weeks. I'm telling you. Yeah, it hadn't been a bad day. Had some visitors come by and see me, which I always love. And although I didn't get my iced coffee, and that's okay. I don't expect that every time my brother or sister comes to visit. I'm not that kind of guy. Yeah, I didn't get my iced coffee. Anyway, I'm just kidding. There's so much more information that is about to come out. Wow. It's awesome. We're excited. I'm like 25% extremely exciting. 25% extremely excited. All right, we're gonna wrap it up for this weekend. We had a pretty good weekend. Let's talk about what sold. Sold some of these really cute, look at these little stickers. Those are cool. We always sell those bracelets. Those bracelets are a big seller for us. Sold our t-shirts. Don't forget, all our t-shirts, $9.99 on this rack. Sold some shoes. We sold a lot of clothes today. It was very cool. A lot of clothes were sold today, and we brought in some new clothes, by the way. What did we do? Albums. We sold albums today. What else did we sell? We saw some collectible action figures. Probably something else I'm missing. It was a pretty good 2 days. We do appreciate it. Make sure you stick around, like, subscribe, do all that stuff, because if you don't, I'm gonna find you. Hey everyone, it's Greg here and everything. Oh, yeah. In case y'all forgot, I spit a little bit.